If you're an AI engineer wrestling with fragmented multimodal workflows, this is your breakthrough. Struggling to align image, text, audio embeddings? Battling inconsistent cross-modal search results? The Multimodal AI Pack delivers clip-based fusion architectures, transformer attention mechanisms for semantic alignment, multimodal preprocessing pipelines with spectrogram text-image normalization, and scalable ANN index optimization for billion vector datasets. Whether you're a computer vision engineer drowning in unstructured data, an NLP specialist fighting misaligned embeddings, or an audio processing lead stuck in feature extraction hell, this pack transforms chaos into cohesion. Spoiler alert, your old hacky multimodal hacks just got obsolete. Here's what's inside the Multimodal AI Pack. Data preparation with modality-aware chunking and augmentation, embedding fusion modules using late fusion transformers and contrastive loss optimization, cross-modal search with dual encoder architectures and attention-based relevance scoring, pipeline orchestration with Dagstra integration for distributed processing, and production deployment templates for Onyx conversion and TensorRT optimization. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't a toolkit, it's your multimodal supercharger. Installing the Multimodal AI Pack takes one command: mpx quanta-skills add multimodal-ai-pack. That's it. You'll download the complete workflow, pre-processing pipelines, embedding fusion modules, search algorithms, and deployment templates. Your next Claude code session automatically recognizes the pack, your AI assistant gains multimodal architecture knowledge, and your Jupyter notebooks unlock new visualization capabilities. Warning: may cause immediate obsolescence of your "we'll fix it later" multimodal hacks. Ready to unify your AI's senses?